Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say it's another day, so it's another vlog. And normally the vlog then start out a door, them start at the little place. So we have Ricky in the building, Chawas in the building over there. Yeah. And we're going to Walmart. We are going to do a little shopping right now, you know what I mean? I know normally I cost we. Because we got Bravos too much. And we shop every single day. Ricky, I go do shopping, a big shopping today?
No, yo. I don't want something.
You never want the answer though. Ricky want to go Bravos after me say, yo, me finally I got try.
You want to try
Walmart.
Sam's.
Sam's Club?
Yeah, it's wholesale.
We are try Sam's next. Sam's is like BJ's, like Casco. So, we are going. Trouble, see somebody say, I don't know where the hell Trouble do. Way down our back.
Are you there on your phone, bro?
Are you there on your phone? Trouble supposed to do way down. Hide him.
Yo, he in the phone.
Oh no,
Put the body.
that's it.
Where you reach so far? What?
The fridge is $24.
Fridge?
Nigga, that's lit.
A 9 can fridge.
Yeah.
Me not drink nothing in a can.
Water.
Can water?
Water can go in there.
$34. Portable fridge. I don't want it. We don't. Alright, come on again. I have to put rum in now? Ricky, the way up so. Everything the man see. You go do one? Beanbag chair. Pick it up, let me see. If you look good, me buy one. She don't get it.
It's short, man.
It's sharp.
How much is it? You never show a price. What is it? Yeah, this what them beanbag, yeah?
Hey, see man sit down in a beanbag. Me tell the man come out, we go Ricky forward. Me no know which breadcrumbs to buy. Breadcrumbs, more buy one of them, yeah. But me not sure which one. When you see when we used to got Bravos now, we normally get this for $4, but at the £5. This how much? It's like £10 one for the same $4. You see? The one here are the all-purpose flour, but this are the Value brand, and this are for $3. Look there. But me I buy this. Me I buy the one here. The one here makes sense.
How much
Put
is
it.
it?
$4 for that, and look for it, Bravo. Look what for the one there.
My phone. My phone drop all. Flour the for me.
Bake some cake?
Nah, beat no cake, just buy regular flour.
Okay, so.
Different flavors?
So don't they
We
say
have
have like
different angles.
we just buy them here because the man in this side feel left everything. And Ricky I bring we go. How we are go? Sam? We are gonna get better deal.
Way better. It's
So-
like a BJ's Costco thing.
So we are gonna try Sam's. That's what we can go. Look there.
Yo, this boy didn't know what job.
Nothing like that, no.
For me and dog.
Oh, you need lotion.
No, I flow. I'm gonna stop dealing with this. Stop dealing with
I mean, come near that.
Bleach.
Yo, you know what?
Whose phone dead?
No, that chips.
So when are these coming back out?
Soon.
You had to say wallet there with the money. I'm gonna look the keys, you know.
What is it?
If you don't know, you don't need it.
Yeah, what did that guy say? That get out of here. You know?
So we just reached Sam's Club now, you know. We left from where we left liquor, that's everything out of the car, Ricky did it, so. Chabas over there. It's basically a BJ's for New York of BJ's and Casco. Then you have Sam's Club on him full initially. It's a Christmas tree there, Ricky, you know, it's a Christmas tree. I buy one, you know. I buy some of the decoration here too. Bread! How this? Bread?
Yeah, man, you need bread?
Yeah. We need some of them bread there. Them bread look pretty. Whole grain and them bread there we just eat. Last in my phone, you know. Watch out. Let me see how long it might take to notice. You never buy one of them flats up me for me already?
Oh, the pizza in the fridge, see me. I'll buy one. You know what it?
Eh? A pizza crust? No,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
you see try flat one. Me do want the big crust, dog. I buy this $4 for them. I buy 2 pack of that.
Mr. Shrimp is in
Man, go
town.
buy shrimp. Fit 3 of them on there. Sub up the next one.
The next one, bro.
So right now we're there. Ricky a shop over this, so. And Ricky say he never did that to buy no, you know, you see?
Yeah, man,
No, look there.
Oh, Jesus
Over here,
Christ.
so watch out.
You man a movie cat, really good.
I'll pack up 3 of them on and easy. Why another one, you know?
Oh, yeah,
I go down here, so I go down in another one, yeah. As you can see.
Can't always go to your right?
Yeah, the car full right now. Ricky over this side look fine.
Yeah, man.
Covers gone shit.
Yo, big cookies are going.
Big cookies are going Thursday. Ricky yard.
On a journey.
When I go journey with me. We in a BJ's, Chabas run gone shit, so. We there, we have see. Aisle, we need aisle. Let me see what the aisle
Yo,
is.
see sugar there, man.
$7 for 2 of them one there though. All this, 18 of them I buy it for like $10. 200 of them I buy for like $10. This big old one here for $4. This and a $4 for the small one at Bravo. This are for $4, this are for $4.
Bacon. You can't get that.
Oh, bacon in that. More aisle. Let me see. That one here say $6.99 pure vegetable aisle. And the 2 of them here we get. 2 of them here we get for $6.99. I buy 2 of them. So far, this around $300. This one here done shit. In come out. In come out, what? How much money you feel like this already?
I estimate 100 and...
Right, so?
Yes.
Fly past a long time.
I think 160 right now.
Probably 2 bills.
How much? We're going to take a floor.
Yo, flour can't live for that. Yeah, but we never bother buy it. How much pound that? Look how much pound he say. 12 pound bag of flour for $4. And the $4 Bravo of five pound flour.
How much you take up to?
No, me say one. No, take up on next one. Take up 2 of them.
So keep in this one.
What?
The box.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah,
just take up your box.
they're real.
You can. They're good for your heart.
No?
Artificial. Artificial. Yo, what the bomb bar to this over there? You come out me crash. So we get what we forget now. And we leaving. Ricky, look. Pie? You're pumpkin pie your bodies. This are bodies. Look for Ricky cat. Ricky say nah buy nothing. Ricky say he nah buy nothing. Oh, look for Ricky cat.
I'm that enough? Drink, dog. That's a beer, curry, one, and Heineken.
All this enough, so Ricky. The cat full. So right now we just don't get what we need to get. Well, we think we get everything we need to get. Jesus.
My one can go 400 now.
Fake yan?
Yeah, the company must have did all those $20 lights.
Yeah, be something in other. So, me show now everything in the cart, yeah. Come up to 227. Shabas and Ricky over there, so Ricky a cash film now.
Let me help you back.
Yeah.
We have to put them in your box.
Oh, she took the pack, mommy.
He said she got a package school.
That's why she got the job, Ricky.
You don't have the pack. Where you from, man?
Shabba said that's why she got the job, because she know the pack. This brother here so rugged. Yo, me buy me mayonnaise, dog. It is for me receipt. Ricky think we are thief for time in sitting. Why wouldn't I put them something?
Ricky, I said you can't go. Bring me shrimp.
Yeah, go on with that. Man, I want shrimp juice. Yo, hurry up.
Alright, ready, wait. Alright, boom, see there. Alright, one box pack already. Alright, one box pack. Come to that.
Look, it's my boy Ricky come past and let me off down in some bush.
You put it in the bush?
Straight in the bush. Oh, my mask. We couldn't give up Bravo. We are feeding Bravos that buy little stuff.
You can't shop at one place, so that me just learn.
Yeah. So, Ricky about to get plant, because you know plant is essential to a Jamaica house. You know what I mean? Shabba says somewhere look some things. No, the money in there cash out same way. Ricky look like ram goat seasoning. Way man run gone again, man. What is that one here? Last in the phone, you know, watching. Last in the phone.
Hey guys, it's me, Danielle. Thanks for coming out and watching another vlog. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel and subscribe on my channel for more videos, because Famous has been killing it out here with the vlogs. So continue to show love, continue to show support, you know what I'm saying, on both channels. Come on my channel, you can watch me do Q&As, chit chat videos, some vlogs here and there. Again, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna tell you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a